Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button. This is an Indiegogo product that's being released on Indiegogo, so you can get a chance to check it out over there. You can also go to their website at WanderSafe.com. This is the WanderSafe Smart One Ultimate Safety Solution. It's a help-in-hand, discreet IoT personal safety device that pairs with an app that warns you and gives you data, information, geolocation on what's going on around you, and if you're in safe areas or if you need to be a heightened awareness or concern. Pretty interesting product they built here. I've been familiar with this for several years and I'd highly recommend it. It's the world's first discreet, non-violent safety solution. It's powerful, compact, personal device, and it pairs seamlessly with an awesome smartphone application. It was designed by a solo female traveler with a lot of experience traveling the world and a retired CIA safety expert. They have advised to make sure that the app and the device deliver three key features for everyone who ventures away from home. Information about where you are, what you are, the neighborhoods you're in, the safety that you could possibly be in danger or maybe be safe. It's got environmental awareness and the right equipment that you need to deter an assault. It's got a very loud screaming siren to it that you can take in hand activate if you feel you're in trouble. It also has a nice blinding light that you can take in spray, or a strobe light that you can take in, put out, say, for help, etc. It actually makes a great light for finding out anything else you want. It works great as a key fob. You can take and put it on your keys, so you can always have it at your disposal if you would. Anyway, it works with their intelligent smartphone app where Jenny, a personal safety concierge, provides you with location-centric travel tips personalized to your travel habits. I'd highly recommend this for anyone you want to feel safe. Go to WanderSafe.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you.